Hi, my name is Tony Smedal. This is a short demonstration for configuring the Heartland plugin for Gravity Forms on WordPress websites. I already have a WordPress website stood up, ready to go with Gravity Forms installed. Let's go ahead and install the Heartland plugin by selecting Add New, and we'll search for Heartland. All right, we have the Heartland Secure Submit add-on for Gravity Forms. Let's go ahead and install and activate. All right, next we'll want to install our API keys. The API keys are what Heartland uses to tie this plugin to your merchant account so the transactions flow to your individual merchant account. To find that, we'll select Gravity Forms, Settings, and Secure Submit. And here are the fields for those API keys. I have my API keys saved and ready to go. These are test API keys, so they're safe to share with the general public. And after pasting them in, let's click Save. And we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and test it out in a new payment form. Let's create a generic blank form. And we'll give it some very basic fields. Let's give it a product field. Let's give it a total field. And finally, the secure CC field. This is one of the two fields that the Heartland plugin adds. Let's also give the product a $1 amount and save. All right, the last thing we'll want to do is to configure a feed so that our plugin knows what you want to do on this particular form. Let's go to Settings, Secure Submit. See, we don't have any feeds yet. Let's create one. All right, and let's select Products and Services. And we want the amount to come from the form total field. Let's go ahead and hit Save. And we should be ready to go. Let's give it a preview. Here we have it, our very basic payment form, our very basic Gravity form. Let's give it a try for $15 and give it some test information. Again, we have test API keys installed, so this test credit card number and credit card information should work just fine. Clicking Submit, and everything seems to have worked perfectly. Let's check our entries to make sure that that actually did process end-to-end, however. So we'll go to Gravity Forms Entries. We see the one we just processed. If we go into the details, under the Notes section, we'll also see that the payment has been completed for $15. And we even have the Heartland Gateway Transaction ID that can be useful for reporting. That's it. We were able to configure the Heartland plugin on a Gravity Forms enabled WordPress website and process our first transaction. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out using the contact information on the plugin's information page. Thank you. Have a great day.